This video is an introduction to using the Avant Lz30 series of lasers. All the Avant lasers come in a hard case with 2 pairs of glasses, a charging cord, an optional cord that is used to update the software, an acupuncture trigger point probe, and a quick start guide. The manual and access to the Laser-US protocols is emailed to you as part of your cold lasers training package. It is important to understand that the Avant has an internal library of pulsing options that optimize the way the laser stimulates the cells, but it does not include treatment protocols that control the therapeutic dosage. Because the dosage should be adapted based on condition, skin color, patient size, and therapy goals, users should use the Laser-Therapy.us app to determine the best locations and treatment times for each condition. The laser ships from the factory with the hood installed, and it will be used for most applications. This is a Class 3B laser, so both the laser user and the patient should always wear safety glasses. The Avant laser has 2 modes, basic and advanced, each with a different password. New users should use the basic password until they are comfortable with the laser. To boot up the laser, hold down the button on the top of the laser for 5 seconds. The laser will make a noise and display the model number, and then ask for a password. Use the bezel around the center button to enter the basic password. Click the right arrow 4 times. Once the laser completes a self-test, it will open up the menu system in the Favorites folder. Use the front and back of the bezel to navigate through the folder. One option is continuous, which turns the laser on 100% of the time. For now, choose acute pain or select the pulsing options best for you. Click the center button and put on your glasses. Then do so again and the laser will start emitting light. The Avant has 2 wavelengths of light. Red is for shallow applications and infrared is for deep application. Now you will use the Laser-US protocol library to learn where to point the laser and how long to use it. See our other video on pulsing presets for more detail. Thank you for watching, and please see our other videos to learn more about the advanced features of the Avant and how to get the best results from any laser.